Hey guys, this is Dee with Crochet Creations. I'm going to show you how I hold my yarn and my hook in my hand while I crochet. First you need yarn and your hook. I'm going to make a slip knot. I hold the long end on the left side, the short end on the right side. I do one twist. I grab the long end through and pull tight. Then I'm going to stick my hook inside and then pull both ends tight. Then what I'm going to do is get the long end, hold it in my hand, come down with it, grab the bottom with these two fingers, grab the tail end with these two fingers, put my pointer out, and then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. Again, you want to put the yarn in your hand, stick your pointer finger out, hold the yarn here, and grab the chain with these two fingers. And I'm going to continue to chain. Every time my chain gets longer, I want to move my fingers up and continue to chain. I always hold the yarn with these two fingers or even one finger, just depending on if I'm moving up my fingers. I never wrap the yarn, however you can wrap the yarn if it's easier. You want to wrap around your pinky and then bring up, pointer finger out, still grab down here and hold on to the tail. If that helps you keep your gauge more consistent. I don't do that. Again, I just grab, pointer finger out, grab here, and these two are holding the yarn. And I'm just going to chain. And every so many chains, I just move my fingers up. And that is how I hold my yarn and my hook.